Welcome back to another video, and this is the microwave paradox. So let's just get into it. A very big microwave produces company. Start over. A very big microwave producing company provided you with a super microwave for testing purposes. Now you are going to test your new microwave with a different types of food. I don't think I've screwed up a microwave yet. Hello? Hello. Yes, I'm coming.
Hello. Thanks for agreement to participate in our super microwave testing. We hope you will get the best experience with your super microwave. In order to get better experience, we recommend you to watch the video tutorial, which will teach you how to use the microwave provided by our company.
How much do I get paid to test microwaves? What the heck? This is a freaking awesome place to just live. I live in with my parents, which is nothing wrong with it. There isn't, But I wouldn't mind having my own place.
In this tutorial, you will learn how to use your new super microwave. First of all, open your super microwave's door and put your food into the super microwave. Then close the door and wait a little. Next, when the super microwave doing its job, you can inject the food and enjoy. Please, pay attention. You should use microwave only to work with food. It is highly restricted to put any other objects into the microwave.
There's no run, there's just walk. So food, microwave. No other stuff, only microwave. Have you guys ever microwaved a drink? Or we're about to. Let's throw that sucker in there. Boop! What else do I want? What else do I want to microwave? Get a burger. Oh, yum yum. What do I do with it? Well, it's on the floor now. Microwave this now. I saw a bar of something. There's a lot of drinks. There's another tape. Yeah, that thing on top of the laundry machine. It'd be nice, I guess, too.
The super microwave can become your best friend. It can help you to make your food better. It can even watch a movie with you. You have absolutely no reason to not to trust your microwave. Attention, microwaves cannot talk. If your microwave started to talk with you, then follow next steps. First, make sure there is nobody hidden inside the microwave, because microwaves don't talk itself. Second, try to isolate yourself from the super microwave. It is better to lock all your house doors and put the super microwave outside. Don't worry, your life is safe now. And finally, try not to talk and interact with microwaves.
No,
Some
I would never do
aspects
that.
of the effect of microwaves on humans are not yet fully understood.
No. Wonder of life. 7 wonders of life. You better watch yourself, microwave. You start talking, I'm throwing you out this window. You're falling like 7 stories or something because I'm a penthouse guy. What is this? Can I don't know what that is. Okay. So microwave is trippy. Let's take this. And oh. Microwave? Okay. 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 Yum yum. Yum yum. Bad microwave. Bad. Slam the door. Slam the bad. Don't do that again. Bad rating. Bad. Donut. Shut up. Donut. Box. box microwave. Shut up! Oh my gosh, that's getting annoying. Thank you. Box microwave. Microwave. Box. I can't. Why can't I? You're getting in this microwave. I don't care. Get in there. Get in the microwave. Get it. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, we're experimenting. We're learning. Come on. Yeah. Okay, so maybe I can place multiple items in the microwave. Maybe I don't have to microwave just one thing. What happens if I reheat it, you know? Just cause a little bit of chaos here and there. You know what I mean? Let's just grab one of yous. And let's just chuck you in. Nope, in. No, where'd it go? What? Where do you go? Okay. Well, we have two other backups. Okay, so that one failed. We have two other backups. Chuck her in. Pop! Good enough. Okay, and then grab like a donut or some crap. This box is... Get out of the way, box. Alright. No, come on. No, what? Okay. You know, maybe... It didn't like that. Did not like that. What else can I do? Can I stick the toaster in the microwave per chance? Per any chance? Toaster microwave? Toaster chair microwave? No, box. Box microwave. Is there, can I put the toilet in the microwave? I cannot. To box and drum. What is this video? Microwave. I just wanted to move on with my life. The microwave moved and looked at me funny, and I didn't appreciate it. Plant microwave. Maybe that was my sign to leave. Let's leave. Can't do that either. What am I supposed to do? And then... Whoa! Oh no, my microwave. Oh gosh, what could it have been? You think it was the box?
You have broken the microwave, which our company provided to you in testing purposes.
My bad.
You are a pathetic and worthless person who don't deserve to own our super microwave. Our sales manager will now come to your house and take your life as a fine.
Whoa. Wait a second. I didn't agree to... Whoa! I didn't agree to this. I didn't agree to this. I didn't... What happened? Where am I? Oh. Whoa, we're fine. We're fine. We just... Let's skedaddle skadoodle. Oh, you on my door! And it's just... So, that was the microwave paradox. I enjoyed that game a lot. At the end, I'm assuming something was supposed to run through the door, but the door just slammed me into my face, which is fair. I'm also a worthless piece of garbage according to the game. But yeah, this was fun. I enjoyed it a lot. I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it to the end and you aren't subscribed, please just subscribe. Just do it. Do it for me. Please just subscribe. I make normal content sometimes. I don't. I make content regularly. Please stick around. Anyways, good luck with anything you're doing in life. I really do hope to see you in the next one. My name is Walterston, and peace. Microwave.